In today's video, I am going to be unboxing this mini stepper with resistance bands that I picked up from Aldi for $27.99. Welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee here, sharing part of my healthier journey. And right here, I'm putting together this stepper. It came with the 2 resistant bands and the 2 feet for balance, and then this little attachment that goes in the front. And it comes with a 2-year warranty, 6 months for movable parts under normal conditions. So they will give you a free repair, but you can do an exchange or a refund. And there are no shipping and handling costs. So I think this is great for $27.99. Is adding the feet. It'll be easier if you use a mallet hammer. Okay, now we're attaching the resistant band. The resistant bands come with these little hooks. Sorry, it's out of frame. Comes with a little hook, and you hook that hook to the little bar there, and then pull your hand grip all the way up to the top, and you'll have a resistant band. As I was stating earlier, I'm glad I decided to set up my own little at-home workout gym, because I know I'm not going to go to the gym on a regular basis. That would just be money wasted, and you know this channel is all about saving money. So I decided to spend money on equipment that I will use in my home opposed to a gym membership. Nothing against a gym membership, it's just not for me. So right here, I'm showing you when it focuses. I did 202 steps and I burned 28.8 calories, and it has a timer on it. I think I did all this within 6 minutes. So this was my first time doing the workout, so that was good. I just wanted to make sure everything works, and just showing you the stepper, how it works. It glides from side to side, and it has these feet on the bottom for support, and it also has the elastic, the resistant bands that are attached. And under the bottom of the stepper, it has some features, the little ridge detail to protect your floors, but I'm just not comfortable putting them directly on a hardwood floor, and of course keep it away from children. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V's first impression of the mini stepper. If you're interested in something like this, check out Aldi's. And this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love and help you save.